Hi, I'm Guy, and I'm going to talk about scheduling a post on YouTube. As many of you know that are following the Guy R. Cook Report, I've got a YouTube video that complements this Google document, or maybe the Google document complements the video. Yeah, that's it. Anyway, if you post your video up onto YouTube so it's live and good to go and ready when the announcement comes out about the podcast episode, you know that when they scroll down into the Google document, there's a link to the YouTube video for this episode. So, bazinga, you've got the key in the lock, just a matter of twisting it, and you've got a way to listen to what I'm saying, like right now, with pictures. Okay? So head on over to theguyrcookreport.podbean.com, and you'll get the link for this episode and the 6-page Google document that goes with it that talks about all the things that matter when scheduling a post on YouTube. So being that video is such a hot property right now, might be nice to have this guide. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on guyrcook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on youtube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.